Today we're gonna be giving John a bath. He made a mess, so we're gonna bathe him. I think it's about time. It's been a couple weeks actually. Right, Johnny? You excited?
No.
Okay, so here's the thing. We have to be.
As well.
He's scared of water. He's a kitty, but we have to be super quiet because if we make loud noises while he's in the bath, he gets super startled, and he jumps out. And when he jumps out, he looks like a naked mole rat. So we gotta make sure he's in the tub. So the first thing we do is talk quietly. So if I'm very quiet, you know exactly why. I mean, here's the bathtub. Nothing special. We're gonna fill it in slightly about, I don't know, 3 inches. And then make sure it's like lukewarm water, and then slowly put him in without any sudden movements. So here's a little update on my tummy. 29 weeks.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Wow, wow, wow!
Whoa!
I'm so tired. We had the longest day today. But let's give this guy a little bath. Look at him. John, you ready for your bath?
He's ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Or this.
Okay. I like to fill it up approximately this much. Not too much so it doesn't freak him out. Next thing you're gonna need is some sort of lota or some sort of like watering can. So then we definitely have one of these in your bathroom to wash your private parts with. But this is not what we use to wash our private parts. This is just what we use to bathe John.
Fighting us. He's fighting.
Stop it!
He's fighting us. He doesn't want to go
Fine,
in.
I'll get it.
He doesn't want to go.
Ooh, fun! Look at me having fun in the water, John. John! Oh no!
Oh.
You want to join? No. You said you don't want to join. You said you don't want to join. The water. You want to come out? Oh. Who's this?
Oh, look at it.
Go get it, John. Ducky. But honestly, you're making me look unprofessional. This process is so smooth without you. Oh.
Oh, you're showing him you're failing.
Shut up. It's your fault. I know, but listen, you gotta slowly get in. Slowly. That's it. Shh, don't make any noises. Okay. Shh. Where's the shampoo?
Oh, you got it.
This is the shampoo we use. Okay, John. You is smart, you is successful, you is kind.
Oh my gosh.
You is smart, you is successful. Whoa. We were doing so well. That's okay. You is smart. You is kind. Come here, shh. He's freaking him out. Babe, he's getting me. It's not like this. It's not like this, I promise. Okay.
Save me.
Shh. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe it took too long. I took too long. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, but you sit in your litter box. Alright? So we need to get you clean. I'm sorry it took long.
I feel like this is the scene out of Lion King.
Shh. 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 Shh, come here. Stop. You make him anxious. Don't get him. Scoop. Other one? Okay.
Towels on the floor as well.
Shh.
Yeah, they do not look cute.
Wring out his tail. Towel dry him. Get his ears. And you know what? He's like a big baby. He just likes to be swaddled. So he dries off. So while he's in the towel, he tends to get really warm, dries his own hair. He tends to go to sleep a little bit.
Out of trauma.
In case you guys are wondering why I do this, he's a strange cat. He likes to sit in his litter box. So
Clean litter box.
Clean litter box, but still, because it's not 100% clean. So he's an indoor cat only, and we like to give him baths so he stays clean. And then I can kind of see if his nails need trimming, but he doesn't give me a hard time because he's all swaddled up. And another thing that I do is that I brush him a little bit so his fur gets detangled and gets a little bit of some air so it dries quicker. So, and he tends to like it, like especially like right here, going with his little brush, and then he just like falls asleep a little. Oh, you like that, pussycat? Don't you like it? Ooh. Patient grooming. I mean, you gotta be very calm and quiet. I feel like he just knows my energy, so when I'm calm, he's calm. But I'm gonna give him a little bit of a mohawk. Oh, look at you, you little stylish cat.
Little wolf drink.
Shake it out.
Shake a leg. Hey. Hello. Look at you, nice and clean now. Oh, look at that. Look at that.